Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we will fix jumbo display and replace battery. The machine was once repaired by us in 2023. Till 2025 it runs perfectly. Display is not showing correct numbers. Also machine is only working on power supply. No problem, we will fix it quickly. After service done. We fix the display and replace the battery, also calibrated with accurate weight. The machine is working good now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and do visit our store for more quality products and services.